Hello guys, please see what is the problem. I have S400 Hybrid Mercedes car, and we have a problem with the engine. It won't start after fixing the inverter. But after fixing the inverter since 2 days, my car was working functionally. It but now it's not. That's happened. I don't know. Maybe I played with the software or something, losing. So that's why I'm going to show you, and we will see also the faults codes. And my brother, he's going now to try to start the car, the engine. Please see what's going on and tell me what is the problem. يلا شغل. He's going to start the engine now. We already connected the power supply also as well to the car. Yes. He is going to try again for the second time. I don't know why. For third time. كمان ثالث مرة. I don't know why it won't start.
These are the current values for the phases, for the electric motor phases, pulled down by the Zentry start diagnostic system. When I try to start the car, you will see that the current value of the phase W and V, the last two one, will increase, but not the first one. It will stay as it is. Watch that. Now the ignition is on. I will try to start the engine. Again. That's it.
Now we will try to run a diagnostic to see if there is some faults occurred. Now we will run a quick test. We will erase the codes now and run the quick test again. Erase. Switch on. Double check. off. Switch on. Start test again. I don't know what's going on. I think the test maybe is corrupted.
No, it's not corrupted. Just showing the control units with events only. After we finish the test, we will review all the control units.
So there is no faults at all, right?
Just to double check after finishing the test, still running. Now we show the faulty, if there is any faults. No, there is no fault code.
No fault.
And all these are not related.
So now we will try to start the engine again, right? And run the test again, double check.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it is.
Yeah, let's run the car, try to run the car again. Now my brother will try to run the car again for a fourth time to double check the error. He's starting the engine. شغل no running. كمان مرة. Now we will run a quick test again. Still no errors. There is some events, I guess. No errors. So no errors.
No, there is no related errors. I think those are not related.
So this is what is happening with my car. If you can help me, I will be very happy to hear the advice.